Okay, so for today's lesson, we've got 2.2, the graph of a function, part 1. I'm going to create 3 videos for one problem because there's several questions. There's part A, B, C, D, E, and F. And so I'll just put 2 parts per video. All right, we'll try to make them short videos for each part though. Okay, so let's move on with this. Number 1, they're giving us equation f of x equals negative 3x squared plus 5x. And you're going to be given a series of questions. Part A is this. Is the point negative 1, 2 on the graph of f? All right, so we're going to go back to our algebra 1 and we're just going to evaluate, right? This is going to be our x value, this is going to be our y value, or f of x, right? Y and f of x are the same thing. And we're going to just plug stuff in. So instead of f of x, 2 equals negative 3 times negative 1 squared plus 5 times negative 1. All right, we're going to work this out and see if the left side matches the right side of this equation. All right, so is 2 equal to negative 3 times 1, right? Negative 1 squared is 1. And then minus 5, right? Plus 5 times negative 1. All right, so 2 equals, and then negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, and minus 5 is negative 8. All right, so 2 is not equal to negative 8, which means that we're going to say no. If you want a complete answer, you would say no. Negative 1, 2 is not on the graph. And you could just say f, all right, the graph of f. So negative 1, 2 is not on f. That's a nice complete answer if you want to be complete with that. And I don't like how I did that. So I'm just going to do this. Okay, part B. Now, if x equals negative 2, what is f of x? And what point is on the graph of f? Okay, so x is negative 2. So f of negative 2, that's what they want to know. All right, that's the notation from the last couple lessons we had. Let's go with negative 3 times negative 2 squared plus 5 times negative 2. Right, that's how you do this problem. Just substitute a negative 2 everywhere you see an x. So f of negative 2 equals negative 3 times positive 4 minus 10. This is negative 12 minus 10, which is negative 22. All right, so here's one of our answers. F of negative 2 equals negative 22. Now the second part of this, they ask us what point is on the graph of f? Well, the point is in xy form, right? So what was our value of x? Negative 2. And what's our value of y? In other words, our f of x? Negative 22. All right, so that's the point that's on that graph, given the x value. All right, let's move along.